to your MyFitnessPal app, firstly you have to open the app in this way. You can see here search for food, write the name of the food which you want to add to your dinner. Like I am going to add ice creams here. Different types of ice cream flavors will appear here according to your calories. You have to select the flavor. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the ice cream flavor, click on the meal here if you want it to add your dinner. Click on the red check mark which is present at top corner. In this way, go back and click on diary here. You can see at dinner that your vanilla ice cream will be added. Thank you so much. Your daily goal is to eat less than 169 grams of carbohydrates. If it is exceeding your calories and carbohydrates, then you have to edit this food. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.